Whoa! What is up, everybody? It is October 31st, 2025, and I had a goal this month, and that goal was to finally watch horror movies. And since I started this channel, my main mission was I'm going to go into October with 31 horror movies. That clearly did not work out. So 13 plus one bonus is good enough for me. I watched 13 brand new horror movies that I've never seen before, because horror is probably the genre I've seen the least amount of movies. And to be able to watch these and to react to them and upload them for you guys, I don't want to stop. I want to keep doing this, but there's more movies than horror movies. But I have found a new love and interest in these movies now. And some of these I've already rewatched by myself because I really like them. But good things do come to an end at some point. And even though I'm not gonna only upload horror movies in October, I'm gonna, if I just have the mood to watch a horror, which now I do, I'm gonna just watch it and I'll upload it. But today is going to be a special one. Today I am going to watch the Texas Chainsaw Massacre for the first time. I've heard nothing but good things about this movie, and I am very, very excited to check it out and watch it, react, upload it for all of you. So if you like what you're about to see, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this movie. I'm super stoked. Actually, it's funny because earlier this month, I reacted to a movie called The Funhouse, which was recommended to me by my friend Greg, who is part of the weekly podcast Massacre. Go check him out. And I saw that the director of that movie, The Funhouse, is the same director as this movie. And although I did like Funhouse, it was enjoyable, and I've seen it a different time after that reaction. I don't think there's another horror movie that I've watched that's as iconic as this one. I don't know if there's going to be another horror movie that I haven't seen that is this big. But I'm stoked. I'm ready. This is like the one that started it, right? From my understanding. So let's do this. I am ready. Let's go. These like crime scene photos.
It is believed that the indictment is only one of a series to be handed down as a result of a special grand jury.
Yikes! What happened to this thing?
Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An
Grave
informant led
robbing.
officers of the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery.
Is it?
Area residents have reportedly converged on the cemetery, fearing the remains of relatives have been removed. No suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues.
Yikes. That is quite the scene right there. And like, you listen to it and it sounds like a newscast happening. Like, oh wow, this sounds pretty real. I always try to just put myself in the shoes of like an audience member watching this for the first time in theaters. I think I'd just be terrified, especially at the beginning part. Like it's already starting off like it's a documentary.
Okay.
This heat is just driving me crazy. I don't know if I can take much more.
The condition of retrogradation is contrary or inharmonious to the regular direction of actual movement in the zodiac.
Hey, man, you believe all that stuff your old lady's hawking me? I don't know.
Oh, look, there's a whole bunch of people around the gravesite, making sure their loved ones aren't all dug up.
My granddaddy's buried here. Could we find out if anything happened to him?
What's your granddaddy's name?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
He'll let you in.
Thank you.
Say, fella, I'm gonna run off with the girl a minute. You don't mind, do you? Honey, I'll
Here
get you
come
to
that
sheriff.
fella
Come on.
out.
Hey, folks, let us through. This
Jeez, you
girl
have to
granddad's
grab
buried.
her.
Been in there the whole time, unbeknownst.
Okay, so they came over here specifically to see if their grandpa was dug up.
What's that? What smells?
What is that stench? That's the old slaughterhouse. That's where Grandpa used to sell his cattle.
Okay.
Hey, we got an uncle that works at one of those places outside of Fort Worth. They bash him in the head with a big sledgehammer.
Oh, that's awful.
Okay, I don't want to
Wouldn't
see
kill
it.
him on the first lick.
Oh, is that what the smell was? It was just all the cows? And get over it.
And then sometimes it wouldn't kill them. I mean, they'd skin them sometimes even before they were even
Oh,
dead.
that's horrible. People shouldn't kill animals.
Oh, well, they don't do it like that anymore. Now they got this big air gun that shoots a bolt into their skull and then retracts it. Boom! And
Franklin, I like me. Please change the subject.
That's terrible. It's still going.
Heck. Oh, you don't want to hear more about this?
Hitchhiker?
Should we pick him up? Oh, yeah, man. Pick him up. He'll asphyxiate out there.
What does he look like?
What do you want to do?
Oh, he's
him
weird
up, man.
looking. No.
What? He looks like you guys. Are they fucking with him?
I think we just picked up Dracula. Where you headed, man?
Dracula, he
Work
looks
at that place?
pretty normal to me.
I was at the slaughterhouse.
I got an uncle that works at a slaughterhouse.
Hey, my brother worked there. My grandfather too.
You get hit, or is that a birthmark?
Hey, man, did you go in that slaughter room or whatever they call it? The place where they shoot the cattle in the head with that big air gun thing.
Oh, that gun's no good. No way. With a sledge. Yeah, see, that was better. They died better that way.
You do that?
Look,
Well, don't show me pictures of the
I was
cows.
the killer. They take the head and they boil it, except for the tongue. And they scrape all the flesh away from the bone.
I think the heat got to this guy.
Yeah, sure. I like it. It's good.
Sounds horrible. Is it possible we can talk about something else?
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, Franklin, you're making everybody sick. Oh, all right.
And look at his man purse. It's made out of squirrel. Okay, hold on now.
What are you doing?
Okay. Picked up a hitchhiker and he grabs a knife.
Oh, come on.
Oh, what are you doing to yourself? Oh,
Whoa, okay. You got a couple of miles out of them. Oh, I thought he was gonna stab him. How is he not out of the car by now?
I have this knife. It's a good knife.
No, I'll take it. Yeah, give it to me. That's gonna go with the cow killing photos.
Take me to my house. I live right off this road. It's real close.
well, couldn't you just walk?
You could have dinner with us. You like head cheese. My brother makes it real good. You like it.
I think we better push on, man.
It didn't turn out so good.
It's a nice picture. You can pay me now.
Huh?
$2. It's a good picture.
No, man. Franklin, give him back the damn picture.
Dude, why am I so freaking uncomfortable? Yeah, get him out. Oh, oh, ooh. Dude, drive. Hey, it hurts, but he's gone.
Capricorn's ruled by Saturn. There are moments when we cannot believe that what is happening is really true. Pinch yourself and you may find out that it is.
I'm not a Capricorn, so I'm not gonna do that. You don't have to stare at it. It's there. What I would give to have that Coca-Cola machine, man. Oh, that is so cool looking. Tell me you wouldn't have one of those.
Would you fill her up, please?
I got no gas.
You're out of gas?
My tank's empty. Transport won't be here until late this afternoon.
Hey, you know where the old Franklin place is? It's an old two-story rock house and it's sitting up on a hill. I think you have to turn on that road back there, but I'm not real sure.
Why is he still holding that knife?
Those things is dangerous. You're liable to get hurt. You don't want to go fooling around other folks' property.
You really
Some folks
don't.
like it.
Especially in this area.
Oh, Mother,
I don't know what the area is,
That's your
but
daddy's.
it's not a city. You're gonna get
Got
shot.
some good barbecue here. Why don't you fellas stick around here a while? The transport will be by in a little while.
You know what you know a movie I've seen, House of a Thousand Corpse, and I'm getting big House of a Thousand Corpse with this
You
think he would have told us like the same style. I can see where the inspiration has come from.
Hey, I bet that's some of that guy's blood. Look at that.
So,
You think that's blood?
Yeah, I guess so.
yeah, there's probably gonna be
You
blood
think
on
you can
it.
do that to you? Man, it takes something, though. I mean, just to do that to yourself like he did.
Okay, let's
Do you think I said something made him mad?
left a nice little mark right there.
Hey, that guy smeared blood all over the van.
Did you write something on the van?
Are they going back towards where they dropped that guy off?
Let me see your knife. Thank you.
Knife, just to open up a bottle.
You think that guy's just trying to scare us by, blowing up my picture like that?
I don't know. Was that supposed to mean something? I figured if you weren't gonna buy it, you might as well burn it. Why are you... Yes, drive by. Just drive by it. No! No! That's the opposite.
Well, that's weird. Wonder if that means something.
It's the Mark of Zorro. He's gonna get you.
Here I come.
Mark of Zorro?
I wanna
He's gonna
take
get you?
inside.
He's not
Hey,
a
wait a minute,
killer
wait a
like that.
Hey, you don't think that guy'd try and follow us, do you?
What for?
Where's my knife?
Looks like it must have been a nursery room.
Oh, this
That's
is
mean.
mine. 8
Not like he
years
can
old. Right after
get
my
into the
grandmother
house. Ooh, spiders everywhere. I just leave right there. I wouldn't even be in here. It's too much already.
I think
Okay, look at the zebras, see? I have these fascination for the zebras.
Hey!
I like how he's holding that piece. I'm assuming it's like a sausage. Like it's a cigar. Yeah, it sounds like they're having a lot of fun. Alright, guys. Don't leave them out too long.
Come on, Franklin. It's gonna be a fun trip.
Jeez.
any more fun today. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it. Oh.
Now I feel bad.
Didn't you say there's a swimming hole around here?
Yeah.
Well, Pam and I'd like to go swimming, man.
There used to be a trail down between those two old sheds.
It said swimming pool. I think that's gonna be good to swim in.
No, we'll see you in an hour or so.
Okay, an hour. Oh, you guys are dicks, man.
Gasoline. Come here, look at this.
Got a lot of cars. I had a House of a Thousand Corpse vibes, but now I'm getting Dead by Daylight vibes. Was that a tooth?
Got something for you.
That's gross.
Hello?
Yep, don't go in there.
Hello?
That is a permission to shoot me, please.
Hey, Pam, come look at this.
What? No.
Is anybody home? Hello?
There's a lot of dead animals in this house.
Hey, Pam.
Sounds like a hog. Whoa! Oh! Oh, he gave him a seizure real quick. Oh! Wow, that just happened real quick. Just like a cow, you gotta bob him in the head a couple of times. What the heck?
Her?
You don't need to go in there. No, just leave.
Her?
Ew, what is all that? Bones? Chicken. The leftovers. Oh. It's a chair. Old sofa made out of bones. That's a human hand. Did you do this, chicken? You better get out of there. Yeah, get out. Oh, now you're dead. Now you're dead. Oh. Okay, it's like more like Dead by Daylight than I thought. I guess that's more like this movie. I'm actually surprised. Oh, there's the chainsaw. Oh, him first. I can't believe the guy in the wheelchair didn't die
You
first.
don't think it means anything? Well, he couldn't find us anyway. I mean, he doesn't even know our names.
I gave him your name, Franklin. I told him where you live. I even gave him your zip code. He's gonna kill you.
Jerry.
Why is he like that?
I can't find my knife.
That knife won't do you any good. He likes that knife, remember?
Well, I didn't have it last. You had it last. I gave it to you, remember? What'd you do with it?
Well, I don't know. Didn't I give it back to you?
You just never gave it back to me.
All right, I'll look for it.
She did, huh? Shoot.
Hell
Did you
down
drop
there
it?
between them. Are you mad at me?
No, I'm not mad at you.
You really are mad, huh? Oh, I don't blame you.
Or what? Mad at what? A knife?
You really didn't want me to come, did you?
Oh.
Oh, Franklin, I'm just tired.
You don't think that guy'd try and follow us, do you? Well, I mean, there's no way that he could follow us.
Oh, there's ways. I'm sure.
Sally?
What now?
Nothing.
Nothing. Never mind.
Kirk!
It was nothing anyways.
Is anybody home?
Yeah, let's all just go to random people's houses.
Excuse me, I'm looking for some friends.
Really, it's self-defense at this point. Oh, well, at least he didn't walk right into it.
Okay, you guys. Come on out.
Okay, let's
Come
all
on.
stop entering people's houses. Oh. Okay. Is now not a good time to leave? Oh. Oh, come on. It's insane because he doesn't like wait or anything. He's like, get back in there. Bam, smack, smack again. What was that all about? Like, he looked like he had some sort of remorse. For a second, it looked scared. I don't know. That was weird. Why is he still out there? Put him in the van.
Franklin, let me see the flashlight. I'm gonna go look for him. You don't have to go.
Now, Sally, don't go. I don't think that's a good idea, Sally.
Well, at least be in the van.
Let's go. I'll go with you. Sally, I can't keep up with you.
Oh my God.
Sally, Sally, wait a minute.
You know, I'm even more surprised he's still alive. I don't want to sound mean, but. And you know what? Going out there is the stupid thing to do right now. It just, I don't know.
Oh, looks like a house.
Well, come on, push. No,
Well, come on, push. It must be tough pushing through all that.
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Oh, goodbye. What? I just wasn't expecting that in this movie. Run. Wow, she's doing a really good job, actually. Okay, well, why'd you stop? God. Damn it. Doesn't she have the knife? She has the knife. She has the knife. Jesus. This is freaking creepy. He's like running. This is intense. It's the same house. Same house.
Please help! Please!
That's not a person who's alive. Oh, she's dead. She's dead. Oh, great instincts. Yeah, you kind of hurt yourself, but you're alive still. Oh my god, back to freaking square one. And he's just like running. I think just the fact that if you can hear the chainsaw getting louder, that means he's getting closer. And that is terrifying. Oh. Running. Creepy. We are not back at the same house, are we? Oh, it's the gas station. Okay.
Whoa there. Whoa. Whoa now. You're all right. You're okay. Okay. Whoa now. Take it easy.
No, I think it's still out there.
There's no phone here.
No phone.
Acting on a tip from Clyde Peewits of Newt in Muerto County, operating a large, well-organized West Coast jewel theft ring. The ladies of the Muerto County...
Those weren't the people's body parts, were they? Oh, damn it, man.
You got no need to worry.
No!
Now, you just cooperate, young lady, and we'll have no trouble. There's no need to do that. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Oh my god. Oh, he's trying to stab her with a broomstick. Did he get her? Oh. Man, what the hell?
I hope you're not too uncomfortable down there.
Jeez.
Got nothing to worry about. You just take it easy, yeah? We'll be there soon. There's no need to do that.
Oh, he's just enjoying it. So creepy. So creepy.
Half-wit.
Oh, it's that guy. Everybody here would be related.
Where are you, nap-haired idiot? No. Where are you been?
I've been out on the road.
You damn fool, you almost got caught over a dude.
No, they didn't see me. They don't know nothing.
I told you to stay away from that graveyard.
Well, back to the house.
I told you never to leave your brother alone. You get in there and get that girl out of the car.
Okay, so the other guy is his brother. The one with the chainsaw.
Hope that your brother didn't let any of those kids get away from her. Get her in there. Yeah, the whole county has you. Have you got any self-respect? No pride in his home. Get her in there.
Jeez. It's amazing that he doesn't kill these two. the heck? Dude, it's just creepier.
I thought you was in a hurry. Where are the kids? Where are they? Show me. You damn fool! You ruined the door.
Does he have to get dressed up when the family comes over? This family is nuts. I blame the dad though, or whoever this guy is. Jeez, it's just so creepy.
Hey, Leatherface! Give me a hand with Grandpa!
Why did he move that old guy? Just decided to put him there? Even this dysfunctional family, they're willing to drag their, I'm assuming, grandpa, their own grandpa's corpse downstairs. We got 4 people who wouldn't even help Ash up. Who's the real dysfunctional family here? Oh, not the tip. Not the tip of the finger. What is happening? Is that a vampire? I thought they were dead. They're alive and they drink blood. Look at that armchair. It has arms.
We were just having fun. You think this is a party? Can't be helped, young lady.
Oh, I can see the inspiration for Resident Evil 7, right? So creepy. Man, I just never seen the movie so creepy.
He don't like it, ain't that right? You're just a cook. Shut your mouth. I just can't take no pleasure in killing. Just some things you gotta do. Don't mean you have to like it.
You really don't have to do it. Oh, is he like regretting it? What is happening?
No need to torture the poor girl. You just shut up. Remember, you're just a cook, and me and him will handle this. Get on with it. I won't have this.
Yeah, he like the longer he was hearing it, the more he wasn't sure about it.
I've been thinking about letting Grandpa have some fun. You always said he's the best. He's the best, all right.
The dead grandpa right there. Just
Grandpa, we're gonna let you have this one.
what is he gonna do to her? Doesn't even look like he can move. Just sucks blood out of fingertips.
My old Grandpa's the best killer there ever was. I never took more than one lick, they say. I did 60 in 5 minutes once. Now don't you cry none. Old Grandpa's the best. It won't hurt a bit.
This must have just been exhausting for this actress. to be screaming this much and moving and like on the verge of tears constantly. Yeah, Grandpa's not gonna be able to do this. Like, get real.
Come on, Grandpa.
Are we all being for real right now? I don't. It can't be serious.
Get the hammer. Go on, get her.
You guys seen that show Royal Crackers? This is guys reminding me of the grandpa. Oh my God, she got free. Yeah, she got hit by that hammer. It wasn't even a hard hit. She just got hit. Oh, you better start running, please. He's just fucking with her. Oh, shoot. Help, help, help. See ya. Okay, cool. What's she doing? Drive! Why didn't they just start driving? Poor truck driver just got caught right in the middle of this one. Oh! Oh! And want nothing to do with this. Dude, everything's just so chaotic right now. Oh my God, get in. Get in. What about the truck driver? I feel bad for him now. We just get a wild chainsaw dance at the end. Yikes. Dude, and I'm just like freaking speechless. That was just creepy. Very creepy. Jesus Christ. Okay, that was Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Crazy, crazy movie. Never seen anything like this. Like, this seems to be the movie, the horror movie of what all these suspense horror movie has come from, because I've already seen movies that have taken inspiration by this and played video games that taken inspiration by this. I mean, the crazy family dynamic that's like a House of a Thousand Corpse, and the dinner scene like in Resident Evil, or just like how insane this family is. And this is, I've seen movies where they have that insane family. You know, Hereditary had a pretty crazy family, and that was unsettling too. But this is just bonkers. It's just, I don't even know what to make of it right now. Everything about this movie was just so unsettling. I can't imagine what it must have been like in theaters watching this in 1974. 'Cause what was the scariest movie before this one? And I'm sure there's a lot of them. But was it like this intense? Yeah. The whole thing was just unsettling and also just unpredictable. Like when you have a family like that, you don't know what the heck they're doing or what they're gonna do. Dude was hitting her in the head just for laughs. Oh, crazy. It was insane. Totally different vibe than what I got watching the Funhouse. I can see what he was going with it though, like to have this creepy family, so to say. This was just unpredictable. That's what made it suspenseful, was that you didn't know what was gonna happen next. Great movie, and thanks everybody for being here for this. Really appreciate it. This was an experience to watch all these horror movies, and I'm glad I did this. It's given me a new appreciation, and I can't wait to explore more along with all the other movies. But thank you so much for being here. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to the channel or giving the video a thumbs up. It's not mandatory, just a little bit of an encouragement for me. Thank you for being here, and hopefully until next time, peace.